Hey there guys, today we have an exciting review lined up for you. We'll be diving into one of the most popular VPN services out there, ExpressVPN. If you've been wondering whether it's worth your hard-earned money, stick around because we're about to find out. But before we jump in, don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get the exclusive discounts ExpressVPN has for you. Alright, let's address the big question. Is ExpressVPN worth it? While we know ExpressVPN is a top-notch VPN service that offers an exceptional combination of speed, security, and reliability, let's break it down further and take a look at its key features. ExpressVPN provides a wide range of features that make it stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, their blazing fast speeds ensure that your browsing and streaming experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows on Netflix, playing online games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, or even torrenting files, ExpressVPN's vast network of servers spanning across 94 countries guarantees exceptional performance. For the best results, we recommend you select the server closest to your physical location. ExpressVPN isn't just about security and privacy. It's also an excellent choice for gamers and streaming enthusiasts. With their optimized servers and unlimited bandwidth, you can enjoy lag-free gaming sessions and buffer-free streaming of your favorite content from anywhere in the world. Just launch the app, look for a server where the content is available, and then hit connect. You can effortlessly access region-specific content regardless of your physical location. However, it's essential to keep in mind that certain apps, streaming platforms, and gaming services may require a subscription or payment to enjoy their full range of features and content. ExpressVPN also utilizes best-in-class AES 256 encryption to keep your data safe from prying eyes. Plus, their strict no-logs policy ensures that your online activities remain completely private. ExpressVPN offers reliable protocols such as OpenVPN and Lightway, which we highly recommend due to its ability to provide optimal speed and low latency for a seamless and responsive online experience. They also offer a network lock and kill switch feature, which is crucial, especially for gamers and security-privy people. This feature automatically cuts off your internet connection when your VPN connection drops in the middle of a game to prevent data leaks and protect your privacy. The split tunneling feature is also handy as it allows you to selectively route your internet traffic, enabling you to use the VPN for specific applications or websites while accessing others directly through your regular internet connection. ExpressVPN further supports P2P file sharing and torrenting without imposing any limitations on speed or bandwidth across all of its servers. But just to put it out there, ExpressVPN strictly prohibits the downloading and sharing of inappropriate content that is illegal or against the law, ensuring a responsible and lawful use of their service. And speaking of performance, ExpressVPN is available on multiple platforms and devices. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, or even routers, ExpressVPN has you covered. They offer user-friendly apps for each platform, making it incredibly easy to protect your online activities across all your devices. Now let's talk about the financial aspect. ExpressVPN may not be the cheapest VPN service on the market, but it's worth every penny. They offer different subscription plans to suit your needs. Some of you might be wondering if there's a way to test out ExpressVPN before committing to a subscription. Lucky you! You can try it risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with their service, you can always get a refund via their 24/7 customer support, no questions asked. Now to answer the question, is ExpressVPN worth it? The answer is yes. ExpressVPN is an outstanding VPN service that delivers on its promises. With its impressive features, wide device compatibility, and excellent customer support, it's no wonder that it's a popular choice among users worldwide. So if you value your online security and privacy and want to unlock a world of content, ExpressVPN is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for discounts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. See you in the next one!